Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making fried yam. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients for this recipe: yam, water, vegetable oil and salt. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Now I'm going to show you how I peel my yam. I'll cut the ends of it. After that, I'll cut it into circle. Then peel it. After that, I'll cut it into rectangle shape. You can cut it any shape you want. As you can see, my yam have started changing color. Now I'm going to pour some water inside the yam to prevent the brown color. After peeling all the cut pieces, I will wash it. And transfer it into a bowl. I will add half tablespoon of salt, then add water. Then mix it. I will leave it inside this water for 10 minutes. I will pour my oil into the pot. When the oil is hot, I will add my yam. Then stir it round. Now we add a splash of water. Adding this water, we cook the yam, and this is what makes the inside of the yam moist. Then leave it to fry for 3 minutes. I will add water like 2 times during this frying process. Then stir it round. I will add another splash of water. Then leave it to fry for 3 minutes again until I achieve a light golden brown color. I'm doing this on a medium heat. I will remove it from it and put it in a sieve that has a paper towel on it. This is how it looks. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my fried yam. If you enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.